welcome to my first Christmas tree haul. Okay, the first store I went to was at home. This was back in September, y'all. And I got these adorable ice skating boots for $14.99. And then I picked up 3 of these little tool shed thingamajiggies ornaments because I knew that I was sort of going to do this white scheme. Okay, so that's all I got from the at-home store. I'm not doing this in any particular order. And I got all of these ornaments from Dollar Tree because my tree this year is such an investment. We really wanted to scale up this year and get something with, you know, better quality that we could keep. It's actually going to be an heirloom that I passed down to my daughter. She loves Christmas. So I kind of kept my ornaments from Dollar Tree neutral. As you can see, you know, the cream, the beige, and a little bit of red because the Christmas tree is flocked and it's very full. I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. And you'll see why I don't want to overwhelm it with too much color because the tree is so pretty it speaks for itself. So I basically got a bunch of Dollar Tree ornaments. Oh, I didn't see that one. Yeah, that's cute too. So you see it all kind of has very similar themes. And I don't know, I bought about $25 worth of those. I do plan to go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I'm always in Home Goods, you know, so I'll find that. And then this year, I thought this was cute because I got this from Walmart this year. I got these for my front door. This is a lit wreath. So I thought I would keep it simple this year and actually just mimic this tree here. Just greenery and white lights and a simple bow to finish it all. I may put some red flowers outside. I may not. Haven't decided, but I'm definitely just going with the greenery and the lights this year outside. Last year was very whimsical. And this year we're going to just keep it very simple and classic. So I bought this from Walmart. This was about, I don't know. Oh, it was $16.98. Duh. All I had to do is read the little tag. I'm so excited for Christmas, y'all. And then I got 3 of these pre-lit garland for outside. And this is for the front door. Each one of these was $14. So I'm prepared for that. I guesstimated how much I would need, so I did pick up 3 of these. Have y'all decided what you're doing for Christmas yet? Or you don't know? Also from Dollar Tree, my daughter picked this up because her son is going to have his little mini tree. Isn't that cute? With the little Santa there. And she got him a craft, which she likes to do. We may not always get to them. But we like to have them. And these little ice booties. These are so cute. Snow booties or whatever. And then she picked him up some ornaments. You know, because he's a child. And you want Christmas to be fun for children. Not always like grown up and serious for us, right? And then she got these little mini spatulas. Isn't that adorable? So adorable. There's really no reason not to have Christmas cheer in your home because everything is so affordable these days. You don't have to spend a ton of money. Last year, we just took some flour in a boot and put it on the floor. But this year, she found this from Target. It was about $3 to $5. I can't remember. So it's basically like a stencil and glitter. I don't think we're going to use the glitter. I think we're just going to use the flour again. I thought that was a pretty neat idea that Target had. And then Home Goods, my favorite store. This was $8. It's just a drying rack with drying mat. And I like that it has like the silvery snowflakes to it because in the kitchen, I kind of thought I would just keep it simple, y'all, and not go overboard with color. But then I did see these. These are Nicole Miller's, and it's just such a nostalgic look to them. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep it white and plain. I don't know. I think like there's some beauty in simplicity when you just have a lit tree with a few pieces of gold or white ornaments. I think that's beautiful too. But I get so excited when I see color for Christmas. It's like I can't help myself. But I did pick up these. It's about, 3 of these. And I think these were $8. And I also picked up this snowman scrubber for you could use it to scrub your sink out, or some pans or whatever. And then I did pick up these as well because I felt these matched this. So like when I'm baking and washing things by hand, I like to be coordinated. And then, how adorable are these trees? I picked up 2 of those, y'all. So today I'm filming without the tripod because I have no idea where it is, so forgive me for having this skewed display. But these are so pretty and glittery, right? And these were Home Goods this year, and these were $9.99 a piece. I love them. I think these are going downstairs. I'm going to show you the pillow that I purchased from Home Goods. So these and the pillows and a nice throw will be downstairs. I'm going to keep it light and bright downstairs for sure. And I think all the color is going to be up here. My daughter found me these. I was so excited, y'all. These were from Dollar Tree. And I was thinking, not only would this be cute for like a mini tree, but how cute would this be with a candle? That's what I'm thinking. One of those nice big candles. You could just sit in there, put a little bit of garland around. Wouldn't that be pretty? I don't have anything to show you, but if I find something by the end of this video, I'll do a visual. And then we picked these up, the little reindeer. We do like our tree for the main living room to be somewhat country and feel, relaxed and comfortable and cozy, but also friendly for children, okay? So that is the theme that we are going for this year. Let me get the rest of the stuff. Look at this pillow, y'all, from Home Goods. $25. Isn't it pretty? But look at it with the trees. Am I right? So that's going to be the color scheme for downstairs. And then, well, this is just random stuff I needed. And I baked some delicious crab dish the other day. I forgot my bowl. Isn't that cute? This was $7. Okay. And then these are houses to go downstairs in the hallway. I think these houses go perfectly with this and this, right? Right? So cute! So you can see I'm kind of going for like an icy tree theme downstairs because the hallway is small. I want to keep it light, okay? That's why I'm choosing not to put a bunch of red down there. The red will be up here because there's more space up here. And then I picked these out from my, oh wait a minute, one more house. And then these are from all of that, the trees, the houses are from Family Dollar. Sorry I didn't say that. And then, how cute is this? So we started a little collection, me and my daughter. So we're going to continue and add to it so that my grandson can grow up with certain images for Christmas. Okay, now here's the big reveal. Hey, this is my King Christmas tree. Ooh, look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. So it does come with instructions and a bag. This is the large King of Christmas. We always buy trees that by the next year we can't use. So we definitely wanted to invest this year in a tree that we can hand down. Yeah, so I'm excited to put this beautiful tree up. Let me give you a close-up. This tree is pre-lit, so I don't have to worry about putting the lights on, which is a chore if you want to do it right, because you're really supposed to wrap the branches inward to outwardly. So it's flocked, but as you can see, the flocking isn't coming off, which is a plus. This is the tree stand, and should be some gloves somewhere. I don't know, but when I unbox it, I will definitely show you guys. Well, okay, y'all. Hope y'all excited for Christmas like we are. We have to do inventory. I have a whole lot of stuff in my living room that I did bring up to go through so I can pack away what I'm not using. And what I am going to use is probably going to be in this kitchen, mostly. And yeah, that's it. I'll see y'all next week. I'm ready to do some decorating. Have a great day.